Just kicking. This is Justin Kickett. That's why I had to get. Hey! Alright, so guys, Justin is a radio station manager, right? And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spin this interview a little bit.
Uh-oh.
And Justin, for real, tell us a little bit about what that looks like. What does the day-to-day of running a radio station really look like?
It's actually a lot easier than you would think it would be.
Okay.
I've been doing radio for almost 9 years
And
now.
you got the voice too.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, come on down.
Ooh!
Hey.
Now, how long did you say you've been in radio?
It'll be nine years in May.
Okay. So MyCity, MyMusic.com is the website.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool beans. So, what do you think of the M.O.A.M. Media and Film Festival?
It's great. I mean, I've been working with Tweezy for a long time and met Matt too.
Amazing.
So, yeah, I mean, it's just, that's what our city needs. And you said you're from out of town?
Atlanta.
Oh, well, hey, welcome to the STL.
Well, thank you.
I'll be the official spokesperson.
Ooh, okay. I got welcomed by the official spokesperson. That's what's up.
I love my city, yeah.
Rep your city, that's what's up. So, oh yeah, shout out to VA, because that's really where I'm from. I just live in Atlanta. Let's get that clear, because I don't want the cherry thing.
Is that north or south?
So I was
There
from
two of them?
Southern Virginia.
Okay.
I was from Southern Virginia, and so spent about 11 years in Richmond, Virginia, which is Central Virginia. So yeah. So you said that St. Louis really needs this media and film festival. What will the next one look like in your opinion? What do you expect to see next?
I mean, even bigger and better and more movies, and that's what, I mean, same with the movie industry, is just like the music industry.
Indeed.
It's a love-hate relationship.
Lord, it is.
Everybody's
yes.
a hey.
I know. And not, instead of supporting other people, right?
I can't do selfies. Like, what do I say? Hey, guys.
Oh, I got you.
I'm going to take a tic-tac. I'm going to do a dance. Look at me, I'm famous.
Yo, when I tell you I love Justin, but guess what we're going to do? Just because you did that, when we finish up, we're going to make a reel together, and it's going to be fun.
A reel.
A R-E-A-L for the R-E-E-L.
Ooh,
That's all I'm saying. So, Justin, let everybody know where they can find you on social media and any projects you want to shout out. Give it to them.
Yeah, everything's MyCity, MyMusic, based out of St. Louis. We're worldwide. And yeah, we're taking emails. We're ASCAP, BMI certified, Better Business Bureau, all that good stuff.
How can an artist get their music to you to be played on your radio station?
MyCity, MyMusic Radio at gmail.com. MyCity, MyMusic Radio at gmail.com. And if it's not good, I'm not going to play it. I'm not one of those people that don't sugarcoat it. I'm not going to tell you it's good.
Yes. If it's trash, it's trash.
And I'm not going to I'll tell you how to make it better. But a lot of the times it's the mixing and, it's the final result of mixing and mastering. If my volume is not like halfway up and you tell me to turn it up, it's already turned up. If you tell me to turn the song up and it's already turned up, then it's not mixed properly.
I just love Justin's voice. Like, I could just legit sit here and talk to this man all evening, but we can't. But Justin, we about to go make this real, so y'all stay tuned.